Welcome in this video, and this video is for the teachers who are using the Google Meet for taking their online classes. In this video we will see that how the teacher can take the attendance of their student. The attendance in the Google Meet is the biggest problem, and using a very important Google Chrome extension, we can do this in a very interesting and very useful way. So there is a one extension called Google Meet Attendance. So by installing this extension we can do this. The special thing about this extension is with the help of this extension we will find out that how many students attended, which student will attend at which time, means the different reports are generated by this extension. I will show you that which type of reports are generated by this extension. So you can see that this is a report which is generated by this extension after each class. So you can see in this case on date this 21 at this, the meeting start at 10:41. These are the different students which attended the meeting. Suppose this student attend the meeting at this time for 0 minute, then for 0 minute, and for this 30 minutes. So with the help of this extension we can get the list of student, and the time which is taken by the student, means the duration of time in which the student was present in your class. You can get the complete details about this. So this is a very useful extension that we can use for taking the attendance. How we can do this? So simply open the Meet in Google Chrome. So firstly I will show you in the desktop, and later on I will also show you that how you can use this extension in your mobile also. So this is the important thing, so please watch this video at the end. So first I will show you that how you can do this in your desktop and your laptop. So simply open the Google and write Google Meet Attendance. Google Meet Attendance Chrome extension. So simply click on this, it will open this, then click. So here it is already installed, so it is showing remove from Chrome. So here it's showing install, so click on install and this will install. Okay, so first install this extension. To see that how many extensions are installed in your Chrome, simply go to setting of this, then click here extension. So here you can see the list of extensions that are installed in your Google Chrome. So you can see Google Meet Attendance, this extension is installed. So this is a secure extension, no need to worry. It is simple way to record who attended your Google Meet session. So suppose this extension is installed, and then you start your each meeting. So this is a one-time exercise. Simply suppose I am starting my meeting. Okay, so when you start your meeting, it show you this message that your meeting start at this time, and then you can read out these different steps. So parallelly it will show you the different list of participants that will participate in your meeting, and then it will simply when someone add in your meeting, it will simply update in this list. You can download this list after each class, or in the setting of this there is a setting. You can open this setting, automatically remove the previous meeting check, click auto save the HTML file, auto save the CSV file. So it will gives you the two types of file, HTML file and CSV file. You can use both type of files to see the different statistic about your class, means which attended your class, which is not attended, and the attendant, then which duration they have attended. So like this you can see the complete summary about this. So these are the different settings that I have keep in this. Different type of files that are generated by this extension these are the CSV file that I already told you. So it also gives you the HTML file. Like this you can also get the HTML file. You can download this kind of file. It is also showing the arrival and departure of a particular participant in your class. Okay, now I will show you that how you can use this extension in your mobile. Okay, so this is your mobile. Suppose in your mobile, suppose you are using this Google Meet app, then it is not possible to install this extension in Google Meet app. Suppose you want to use the Chrome browser to open the Meet, then in this browser also we cannot install this extension. To install the extension in Android mobile phone, you need a special browser, that is Kiwi browser. You can download from the Play Store. So I am opening this Kiwi browser. So simply open the Google, Now install this extension in this Kiwi browser. Okay, so open the Google and search Google Meet Attendance Chrome extension. So click on this chrome.google.com Google Meet Attendance. Click on this link. So this page will open. Now click on this Add to Chrome. So click OK and install this extension in your mobile. And then you have to open the Meet in this Kiwi browser. Whenever you want to open the meeting, then open the Meet in this Kiwi browser. This is first time, so that's why I'm searching Google Meet, meet.google.com. So by default, when you are clicking, it is asking for the apps. So simply click on cancel and tick in these 3 dots to open the setting. Then click desktop site. Then open this. You can zoom this. Open this meet.google.com. So this will open the default site. Now here you can start your meeting. Any nickname. So this nickname meeting are asked when you have a organization account, else it will not ask. Okay, so now you can see here this new installation, means this Google Meet attendance page is here. So it is providing you some instructions. By clicking here, set up your classes, something like this, taking attendance. Okay, simply close this, allow, dismiss. So this class list is open. Simply click on join now. This link is created. You can share this link. So this meeting is started. You can close this. Okay, so this is the class list. So this Google attendance tool will take care about all your attendance. After each class, you can download the CSV file or HTML file that is created by this tool to see that which student or how many student attended your class, which student is not attended, which student attended at which time. So by this you can use this extension in your mobile also. So you can see there is a special symbol, this tick mark is here. So this tick mark is that this extension is already installed in this. So like this you can use this extension in your mobile also. Thank you very much for watching. I think this will benefit to the teachers who are taking the classes in Google Meet attendance. Suppose you like the video, then please subscribe the channel and share this video to the other teacher for benefit them. Thank you very much.